All right, Tigers, welcome back to the Unit 4B practice test. We're going to start with adding and subtracting polynomials. So we'll be starting with number 6. And adding and subtracting polynomials is so stinking easy. All you have to do is combine like terms. So let's start with adding. Number 6, we want to simplify these two polynomials. We're going to take anything that has the same variable and exponent and combine them. So we have 5x squared plus another x squared. That's going to give me 6x squared. Okay? Then we're going to take this negative 2x and 8x, and that's going to give me 6x. And then we're going to combine negative 4 and negative 10 to get negative 14. That's it. That's it. We're just adding like terms. So you notice I underlined the like terms in similar or in the same color, so I knew I could keep up with it easier. You do what you need to do. I've also done like different kinds of underlines or line them up. Whatever you need to do to help you keep things straight, that's what you need to do. All right, number 7, same thing. We're going to combine like terms. So I have negative 5x to the third. Now if I look, I don't have any more x to the thirds. So I'm just going to write down negative 5x to the third. Doesn't have any friends to combine with. It's sad and lonely. Okay, then I have 4x squared and 2x squared. Add those to get 6x squared. Okay, then I have a negative 4x that has no friends either, so it's just going to come down to hang out with the answer. And then I have a negative 3 and a positive 8. Add those together to get, let's see, positive 8 and negative 3 is positive 5. All right, and that is my final answer. Notice my answers are in standard form, so that's the order I'm adding things in. I'm looking for the highest exponent and adding that. So I'm adding in standard form so that my answer is already in standard form. All right. So on to the next page. All right, number 8. Find the perimeter of triangle ABC. So perimeter means I'm going to add all my sides up together. So it looks like it's a scary problem, but all I'm doing is adding my like terms again. So I have an 8x squared and an 8x squared. And then over here, no x squared. So I'm just going to add those two together. That gives me 16x squared. Negative 5x, positive 2x. So negative 5 and negative 5 is negative 10. Plus 2 gives me negative 8x. And then I have 4, 4, and 3. 4 and 4 is 8, plus 3 is 11. And that's it. It's my final answer. I'm just adding like terms. Okay, 9 and 10 are subtraction problems. So we have one little extra step we need to take in this, and that's distributing this negative. I know a lot of people get really confused when it comes to signs, especially if you're like, okay, well, if I minus a negative, what am I doing? If I minus this positive, did I already make this negative? What did I do? So the very first thing I want you to do is distribute your negative. So your first polynomial is left alone. This negative becomes a positive. And then the sign in front of every other term changes. Now you don't have to worry about if you're subtracting or adding. You're just going to combine like terms like we've been doing. So negative 4x squared and negative 2x squared become positive 2x squared. 5x, and 6x is 11x. Negative 9 and negative 5 is negative 14. And that's my final answer. All right, number 10, same thing. We're going to distribute the negative first. So this is 7x cubed minus 5x plus 1 plus negative 4x cubed plus 3x squared plus 6x, oh, I'm sorry, minus 6x plus 11. Okay. All right, 7x cubed minus 4x cubed becomes 3x cubed. This 3x squared is all alone, so I'm just going to do plus 3x squared. Negative 5x and negative 6x is going to be negative 11x. 1 and 11 is 12. Okay. Alrighty. Okay, so this was a relatively short video, but that is all the adding and subtracting. The next thing we'll do is we'll do some multiplying in the next video, and then we'll do a video on factoring, and that should be it. So thank you for your attention. Hope this video helps you. I'll see you in part 3.